Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here, doing a video walkthrough on this 320 Sundancer. So you can see the boat's equipped with sea deck, snap down sea deck in the cockpit. It's got a light gray with dark gray interior. Boat does have a generator that's accessed through this hatch here. Cockpit table, spinning around, you got a cockpit fridge, wet bar, small seat here. Does have the optional sunshade that scrolls back open and top. There's canvas enclosures to cut this and close this entire area off. Going around to the bow, you walk up a couple steps here. You got 3 lounges, fusion stereo control, remote spotlight, anchor. The boat is equipped with anchor windlass, speakers, cup holders, upholstery's in good shape. There's a table base for mounting the table up here. Stepping back down, let's take a peek. Over your controls, your helm, you got joystick. There's your throttles, Linko trim tabs, 2 SIMRAD displays. Take a look at the profile shots. I took those today. We got a little current and joystick handled marvelously. Down below, got a dinette that does convert to a berth. There's filler cushions, TV out here. Boat is equipped, as I mentioned, with a generator. You got AC, keep it cool while you're underway. Microwave, refrigerator down below, some storage in the cabinet below the refrigerator, microwave, vacuum flush head, bowl sink, towel floor, and then your aft setup as bunks. These do slide over and fill and make a single berth. 1 large single berth. There's storage behind it, and then you've got a small TV back here for this entertainment area. Floors, hardwood floors. Stepping back up, there's your sub. Upgraded sound system. Back to your cockpit. Go slow over these cushions. They're in good shape. Cockpit shower. Swim platform does drop. That acts as your beach when you're anchored up. Great for the kids getting on and off the boat, jumping in the water, climbing back up on the boat. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on a 320 Sundancer. Give us a call at 910-264-4818 if you got any questions. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks.